Hello YouTube, here I have my Hosim X16. This is the brushless version. I already ran the brushed version X06 and also the X05. The intent of this video here is to show you how this car handled rough terrain. So I'm here at the construction site. There are some beautiful houses being built here. We're gonna run first in that dirt over there, and then we're gonna go to the hardcore rough terrain right here, see how it goes. I will be driving one-handed, so if I don't do the greatest job ever, you know, that's hard to drive one-handed. This car is a lot faster than the other ones that I just tested. This is brushless, it is quick, so I think it's going to bounce a lot from everywhere. So we will have to see, but see how it goes, how it performs. It's doing well so far. You can easily climb through these rocks. A lot easier than the other car actually, because it has so much more power. But like I was expecting, with all of this power, it's probably going to flip a lot more. But let's keep on going here, kicking rocks everywhere. See if I can hit this with not a lot of speed. Let's see how high it goes. It did jump pretty good. So let's say coming straight in front of us. Wasn't quite straight, but was good as well. Now we're gonna go to the dirt over there. I thought those cars were going to come this way. They did not. So I'm going to go through the sidewalk because I'm going to get my shoes even more dirt than they already are. It's not supposed to get in the mud. Let's see how it goes here. Yeah, it's a lot quicker and it goes good. With some control, if you know, just release the trigger when you see it's gonna not do well, you may get away of not flipping, but it did flip and stayed on its feet. Beautiful how this car performs. This is a very good RC so far. I have nothing to say against this one, so let me try to get through this. Alright, good. Managed to ramp the brake right there, all the way there, coming back. A lot of power. It flipped and end up in the middle of the street, so I have to go here. And now we're gonna go to the really rough terrain once more. The car is handling similar to the other ones. It's doing pretty good. I think this is not supposed to get wet, so we'll actually test it out for wet conditions. I just hit that thing over there and it's all sucked in wet. We'll keep running, see how it goes. So far no problem, the electronics are handling good. It's a really rough terrain here as well, and it really goes well without a problem. That was my fault, I turned too quickly. You see there is water everywhere. Let's keep on going here. The car has a lot of power. Holding up very, very nicely. And nothing to complain so far. It's doing great. That's where we hit the water over there. Let's go back to those rocks and see what we can do here. Wow, that was a high jump. Hit some wires in there. I don't know if it's on its feet. It is. But it really goes way easier through these rocks because yes, it's much faster. I don't even know if it's twice as fast versus the X05 and X06. Why it has to happen when it's so far away. It didn't really have to flip this time. God's sake. One more time, let's go. I want to get a similar shot while jumping through these rocks coming way from down there. Hopefully I can keep it straight. It's gonna be a big jump. Wow. Wow, that was a nice jump. Go back. It's getting stuck on this back because of this trees or whatever it is. But the jump was incredible. I'll do one more time, and now I'm really far back here. Let's see how fast and how good they go. Wow, I almost hit my foot again. Jump was nice. Really handles this terrain better than I expected. I did not expect this car to be as good as it is. It's handling this terrain incredibly good. From time to time it does flips, but that's expected because it's a lot of power. I'll try to jump one more time here, but now I want to get from this angle here, so I'll try to follow the car as it comes and then follow through the air. Well, I missed the ramp. No problem, we can just keep on playing on this rough terrain here. See, it gets through everything without a problem. Alright, and it's now in place. Let's go. This car is amazing. This car is way better than what I was expecting. Way better. Well, I did run this through the street. I ran through some dirt, but nothing compares to a construction site. Construction sites, this is performing great. So this video is it's quite long already, so I'm going to cut right here. I really appreciate you guys watching this video till the end, and if you have liked this video, please consider subscribing, like, dislike, leave your comments, and I will get some more content to you. I will answer the questions, and we'll be having fun with these RCs for a while. I have a lot of cars to review. I'm not affiliated with these companies. I buy it with my own money, and I want to give my honest opinion about its performance. You really notice that the water had no effects on the electronics. It's working great. All right, thank you, and stay tuned for the next one.